Your penis veins may be closing right now without you even realizing it. That's the real reason erections after 60 feel weak, unreliable, or sometimes disappear completely. You've been told it's just age, that this is what happens to every man. But the truth is darker. Your body is starving for circulation. Without healthy blood flow, your penis cannot stay hard, no matter how much desire burns inside you.
Here's what most men never hear. Research published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine shows that poor vascular health, not testosterone, is the leading cause of erectile struggles after 60. But the shocking discovery is this. Certain natural juices can literally open blocked veins, restore nitric oxide, and flood your penis with the circulation it's been begging for, safely, without pills.
Picture waking up with morning wood again, after years of silence. Picture intimacy that feels natural, not forced. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the 3 juices every man over 60 should drink to reclaim powerful erections, and see results in as little as 7 days.
I want to hear from you. Be honest with yourself and with me. Have you noticed your erections weakening after 60? Or do you still feel strong some mornings? Your answer matters. Because when you share it in the comments, you'll realize you're not the only one fighting this battle. Thousands of men your age are carrying the same weight in silence, thinking they're alone. You're not. I want to hear from you. Be honest with yourself and with me. Have you noticed your erections weakening after 60? Or do you still feel strong some mornings? Your answer matters, because when you share it in the comments, you'll realize you're not the only one fighting this battle. Thousands of men your age are carrying the same weight in silence, thinking they're alone. You're not.
George was 67 when he walked into my office. A retired Navy mechanic, shoulders still broad, hands calloused from decades of work. But his voice was almost a whisper. "Doc," he said, "my penis just won't work anymore. I feel like less of a man. I even avoid my wife's touch." His blood tests were fine. His testosterone was normal for his age. But his erections were gone. This is where most men get misled. You've been told it's all about testosterone, that your desire is fading because your hormones are crashing. But I'm Dr. Catherine Rotker, a men's health specialist who has spent decades studying this struggle, and I can tell you with certainty, the real problem is circulation. Your penis is like a check engine light. If blood isn't flowing there, it isn't flowing anywhere.
The hidden truth is this. You are not broken either. What you're feeling is not the end of your manhood. It's a signal. And when you answer it, your body can respond in ways you may have thought were gone forever. The real enemy stealing your erections after 60 isn't age. It's endothelial dysfunction. That means the lining of your blood vessels, including the tiny veins in your penis, can't release enough nitric oxide to relax and let blood flow in. No relaxation, no circulation. No circulation, no erection.
It doesn't happen overnight. Stress raises cortisol, which stiffens your arteries. Processed foods lay down cholesterol plaques that narrow the passageways. Too much sitting weakens pelvic blood flow. Bit by bit, the gates close, and you don't notice until one morning you reach for yourself, and there's nothing.
The worst part is the cycle. Weak erections crush your confidence. That stress raises cortisol even higher. Cortisol kills nitric oxide even more, and the spiral continues. A Harvard study found that over half of men over 60 show signs of this dysfunction, yet most are never told. Instead, you blame yourself. You think it's shameful.
But this silent enemy isn't you. It's poor circulation tightening its grip. The same issue that raises your risk of heart attack or stroke is also choking your erections. And until you fight back, it will keep stealing not only your intimacy, but your sense of identity as a man.
Here's the truth you need to hear. Your penis veins can open again, not with pills that only mask the problem for a few hours, but with simple natural steps that rebuild circulation from the inside out. 3 specific juices have been shown in clinical studies to restore nitric oxide, improve blood flow, and bring erections back, safely, powerfully, and without shame.
The first is pomegranate juice. Researchers at UCLA found it increases nitric oxide levels by nearly 30%. That means your arteries can finally relax and let blood flow into your penis. Men in the study who drank it daily reported firmer erections within weeks. The second is beetroot juice. Beets are loaded with dietary nitrates, which your body converts directly into nitric oxide. The Journal of Applied Physiology reports that beet juice lowers blood pressure and dramatically improves circulation, the very fuel your penis chambers need to fill and stay hard. The third is watermelon juice. Fresh watermelon contains L-citrulline, an amino acid your body turns into L-arginine, the building block of nitric oxide. A study published in Urology showed men with mild erectile dysfunction improved their hardness scores simply by boosting L-citrulline intake. Watermelon juice delivers this in its purest form.
When you drink these juices consistently, you aren't just hydrating. You're giving your penis the tools to heal. Veins begin to soften. Arteries open. Blood fills the chambers. Your body remembers what it was built to do. And with every glass, you get closer to the erections, energy, and intimacy you thought were gone for good. Here's what happens when you give your body these 3 juices every single day.
By day 7, you notice small shifts. Your energy feels steadier. The fog in the morning starts to lift. Blood pressure may dip slightly as your circulation begins to open, and you sense a lightness you haven't felt in years. By day 14, something remarkable occurs. Erections begin to return. Not every time, not perfect, but stronger than before. Morning wood flickers back. You feel a spark of confidence you thought had vanished. Your partner notices the difference in your touch, in your energy, in the way you carry yourself. By day 30, the changes are undeniable. Erections feel reliable again. Desire rises naturally, without pressure or fear of failure. Intimacy feels less like effort and more like connection. Studies show consistent nitric oxide support can improve erectile strength by more than 60% in just 1 month. What you're experiencing is your body healing. Blood flow restored, confidence reborn.
It's not magic. It's science, consistency, and giving your penis veins the fuel they've been starving for. The most dangerous mistake men make is giving up too soon. You drink 1 glass, maybe 2 days in a row, and when nothing changes instantly, you quit. But your penis veins didn't clog overnight, and they won't reopen overnight either. It takes consistency. Every day, you're laying down new nitric oxide pathways, softening stiff arteries, rebuilding blood flow. Skip days, and you break the cycle your body is trying to create.
Another mistake is relying on pills as a crutch. They may force blood into your penis temporarily, but they do nothing to heal your veins. In fact, without fixing nitric oxide naturally, you're only masking the problem. And one more error, ignoring stress. High cortisol blocks nitric oxide no matter how much juice you drink. Harvard studies prove chronic stress can slash erectile quality by up to 40%.
Protect yourself. Stay consistent. Stay patient. Your erections, your confidence, your manhood depend on it. You are not broken. You are not finished. You are rebuildable. Your penis is not a source of shame. It's a signal. It's telling you your body needs help. And when you answer that call with the right fuel, it responds. I've seen it happen for thousands of men. Erections returning, confidence rising, intimacy restored. Imagine yourself 30 days from now, standing taller, waking with morning wood you thought was gone forever, looking your partner in the eye without fear or embarrassment. That's not fantasy. That's what happens when you take action. So here's your step. Tomorrow morning, pour yourself a glass of one of these juices. Keep going, day after day. Watch your body rebuild the circulation it's been starving for. Watch your confidence come back. And don't do this alone. Share in the comments which juice you'll try first. Read the stories of other men. You'll see you're not alone. Then subscribe, hit the bell, and join this brotherhood of men reclaiming their strength. Share this video with a brother, a son, or a friend who needs hope. You're not fading away. You're fighting back. And this fight is winnable.